Hi there, welcome back. Today, we're exploring the Ionic Design Kit and how it can simplify building a rating and review screen, a key feature for apps that rely on user feedback. Let's get started. On the left side of your screen, we'll work through code snippets from the official Ionic documentation. In the center, you'll see the layout we've crafted using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, watch the phone emulator showcase the real-time results of our code. Find all the code snippets and detailed instructions on our website. And don't forget, you can pause the video anytime to catch every detail. The Ionic Design Kit is built on the Ionic framework and comes packed with pre-made components. For designers, it's all about dragging and dropping elements, saving time and effort. For developers, there's no need for complex coding. Every component is ready to go, sourced directly from the Ionic framework. It's efficient, collaborative, and gets you to your finished product faster. Now let's talk about the rating and review screen. This feature is a must-have for apps in e-commerce, food delivery, booking, or any service-based platform. It lets users share feedback, rate their experiences, and read reviews from others. A great design can build trust, improve credibility, and help users make better decisions. The Ionic framework makes it easy to create an intuitive and functional screen that encourages user engagement. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to check out more guides in this series, where we explore other essential app features and show you how to maximize the Ionic Design Kit. See you next time.